Neigana boy no gendra tukubwatia mirubire yonsi yensoko na kwegokya kurwe 12 gwikira boni ngana ndichiara gire chisa isano na ibere chia bono mabaso ngakyo kanyora maja ase enchira yobwenge buna berga kwarganwa erikwene kyobuna naye kwe manyore ali agendre tokorgana sumo baso bona ya etire na boygo ayara chikubwatia tosanga so bwamo wetira senchira yo mutanda bwekerera sensemo ya YouTube ensoko TV namba ya mawasiliano unya wetere sabwo ase TV yago chaka gutume ujumbe yage nyingi go chakira bono gwika omwerio Eliane Ishmael Mogere. Asumu chakano mubasobono abarai abobwate obote bwokora county ya Nyamire gati yabo engineer James Kemoni ne gati yabande niko ko mobamo chire oburai bwe county ya Nyamire nene mono igoro yobo tumeki bwe chibesa bakwara samatanga ime ya gianchore ward ya bugichore nsemu ya bunge ya West Mugrango niko ekerekyo basabiro morembe obwekwe ase county ya Nyamire.
Sawa. Ase ekasi yane samyongondo enyombelele yo mwaka nyokoyo mugako okuyo orari ebiongozi yose bibirega igao wale wageni wamefika amchambo mbuyamole ekeneke moni moroje kemoni Jetindi mogenia aiganika omwana ongondo ne kasi ni yane ekero mwana yasirete mosubati mitoereni. I took time to participate in the program in Nairobi, even here at the local level, and today I've come to mourn with you. It's not about politics. The right time for politics will be next year. Ege tugende motewa ngomoni chikura wetera enyumba ya Jubilee taliaronacha, lakini nataka kuomba hivi wale wote wanataka uongozi tuweka amani, tuheshimiane, tusibebe vijana wetu kutupa maneno kwa mikutano. Ikotobe ko bomo ndo tuara binto yokora kurwania baraibande unakwira na jitendi mbago kwane bintebi ngao. Ege tugende motewa wacha tupatie viongozi wale wako wafanye kazi wamalize tamu yao. Lakini kwa ugavana mumeona Nyamira vile imeenda haiendi sawa. Ndokerororo like now tumeona kiongozi wetu tena ameitwa kwa Senate. Tuombe ule kiongozi akipata nafasi akipona afike pale kwa Senate to account the way our resources have been utilized during this development year. Kwa hivyo sisemi mengi amangendo kuwane ikamoni ngeche ngora au wako kuwana diwana okuana omwana tigambo ligaba kusiba minto omuyigwa ngotinde karo mondoka omwana onkanero gotinde ko mondoka omwana nkamo moroche nkemoni biyamono narenge Nairobi nazote chibese chiane lero naende ngurunde egento nare ntaga singichia 1500 biyamono tigenya sawa seseni.
Nebo mwako gocha nigo mubunge wensemo ye bunge akitutuma saba Cliff Gisairo airaneirie abamiriri baya sensemo ye bunge yo nagataba kumurusia asobrai negentokera chikobege kongumono asenge nchoikiranira magendera mange mona sebo igalireira yogochia gwikirania amange ukwara somo yegabwa matanga nigaruro koboria gochia somo gusigo tenena bokongo koba ribo erimo na gusira Daktari Fred Matiang'i aseganga yayo korige kerugo kyobrai wense.
These programs and initiatives that we are taking will not succeed or will come to naught unless there is confidence in this economy by the private sector and unless we crowd in investment, both domestic and foreign investment. And Your Excellency, that is why I cannot leave.
Inchote bya bantu egasimu angete egenteke narosi beka bana basome talibo ko cha kondusi genteke ne betiro Ngoke wate bichucho yerushe bichucho. Chera kobera kongo njempore naleta timbwati mangana mange monya konsabera musabere na matiake talibol nsabere nje tutangane li Nyasaye hii mambo ingine Nyasaye akobera mutwali na botoko banga byonse kuna Nyasaye tarancherana mbikoba tusabere ntutoka sene koligeri matiake abasani nere naga saine maandiko berebia. Mimi naona kuna mwangaza hapa mbele. Serikali yemokonya kwegera abande gasana ninu gasana yegerere ninu mwaye begeto mao oyi no mogako kwana kero mogaka gotaba mutakaire semi yake ego ninu kanya koragera ndekaro mwairu mware terabantu ekero mwairu egento kurugarari ka abantu bonsi tiakorangeri bakeigo mwaba bisa segete mwaba bagera baisaransi geti bae bonsi kali boigo ekero kwatumira ko Nairobi ne serikali inchuka ekero umuntu igama ngana yuko nyakobisa abantu bade kando abangi nabanchara bare bae igo tuje tobakorol kalao chigotoro motoretere chimatres motoretere igo bari mu gukwanira abantu bari bari serikali batebi nga chigotoro cheitonto chikanyete ebikoro tonto kanyete slippers ntokanyete kwanza zaidi chinko chabolire abangi naba egasi bambebiri batera egasi motoretere we will all allow you mpende muspende tutoli kwenye kokosu tinkwana amange tiankolera abo pastor
Muwaziri wekiganche kenene imeyense John Mbadi nigamukirie egati abarai abo bagosegeta bageni gosaba talikurwa isiko yense gutinenia segeka gotabera gose gotarense ya Kenya asa tukuterari nkwana iyo nagoteba tibwati oburuso bonde bwensi Mbadi asenkwana yakura senyumbene ne yoburai bwense so muchio Nairobi nigo airaire ekyo nigo kerache kore malia uchumi na kugendera bwense asa tebiru uchumi yense ya Kenya guikabona nigo yatingire na kuendera
These programs and initiatives that we are taking will not succeed or will come to naught unless there is confidence in this economy by the private sector and unless we crowd in investment, both domestic and foreign investment. And Your Excellency, that is why I cannot leave this stage without mentioning that it is saddening and disheartening to hear national leaders or people who claim to be the national leaders talk negatively about our economy, especially at a time when we have worked so hard to create confidence in this economy. And this is exhibited by numbers. We have seen increased number of tourists in this country in the past few months. We have seen increased investment in this country in the past few months. The Nairobi Securities Exchange is performing much better. It's now the 4th best performing Nairobi Securities Exchange in the world. We have seen more credit going to the private sector. Your Excellency, a while back, in fact, the beginning of last year, we were seeing a shrinking, negative growth in credit to the private sector. Today, credit to the private sector is almost hitting a double-digit growth at 9.3%. And then you hear leaders or people who claim to be leaders talk negatively and advising people not to invest in this country and advising tourists not to come to this country. Your Excellency, that is where the difference is between a team which does not believe in this country, a team that does not believe in the people of this country, a team that does not believe in the future of this country or don't care about the future of this country. And there is another team, this side, which believes in this country, which has faith in this country, which believes in the human capital. We are seeing here today 500 strong Kenyans who are going out there to create more wealth in this economy. A team that believes in the future of this country. And that is the difference between us, Your Excellency, and your government, and those other people you like referring to them as characters, and I also want to agree they are characters who don't actually know what is good for the
Kipchumba Murkomen nigaene kiribuna ensi ya Kenya nigere asagia arena babigu na boigo batwera nigo bwagendere kwenekiwa kurwa serikali ya Kenya kwanza ya sweto bisio mwaka w'ikilifu 2022 Murkomen nigo boigaruro kuboria gocha saba iburi kwenekia abana nkonyora bari kisemi asamukira barayabo babeire bagosegeto busagani imeyense.
Ninawaomba tu kila mmoja wetu tupeleke watoto wetu kwenda shule, wasichana kwa wavulana, kwa sababu hawa ndio nguzo ya baadaye watabadilisha dunia hii. Pia ninawaomba kwa heshima kila mmoja achukue documents ya serikali. Tumeweka mikakati kila mtu apate ID na apate voters card. Let us take advantage of that opportunity, kila mmoja wetu apate ID na apate voters card. Mimi nataka niseme wale wanataka kurudi kwa biashara ya kuuza bunduki na risasi, tunawajua. Usijaribu hiyo mwenendo. Wale wanataka kujaribu kurudi tena, hii biashara ya kuuza ng'ombe yenye imeibwa lazima ikome. Ndio sasa tufungue masoko zetu, watu wafanye biashara yao, kwa sababu tunataka kuangamiza wale ambao wanafanya biashara ya kuiba ya kununua ng'ombe yenye imeibwa kufanyia biashara ati kuendeleza mambo ya biashara duni. Tutakaa imara katika mambo ya usalama mpaka Kenya isonge mbele. Mimi nimesikia kuna mjadala inaendelea Kenya kuhusu mambo ya wauni goons ambao wanaangaisha wananchi kwa mikutano haswa ya kisiasa. Ya kwanza nataka niseme ya kwamba wauni hawakutokea ati walifika kwa Olkalau ama ati wauni walitoka mwaka jana. Hawa goons wamekuwa kwa Kenya kwa miaka 10-20 wakitembea na wanasiasa kwa siasa zao. Wameangaisha kwa watu kwa siku mingi. Lakini ni serikali hii peke yake ndio imetangaza wazi na kuongelelea kusema itapigana na kumaliza mambo ya wauni. And I want to assure the people of Kenya that this country is safe. Tuko hapa saizi kwa amani kwa sababu tulipigana na bandits. Tuko amani kwa Kenya, borders ya Kenya, kwa sababu our defense forces and our security forces are protecting our country against the terrorists including Al-Shabaab. Hii goons kidogo mnatembea na hawa na mnaita watoto wetu, sijui vijana wetu. Last year mlikuwa mnaita vijana yetu. Miaka iliyopita mlikuwa mnaita heroes. Saa hizi kwa sababu sasa it's biting you, you have now realized kwamba goons is not a good thing.
Murai wense William Ruto niga umiranire n'abakore emirimo b'abakenu kuri ebinyoro ime county ya Nairobi asaba sangire na gukwanira yaringe tobokoreri obwekerano bw'abakenu. Ruto asenkwane aya nigo ayene kiribune serikali ya Kenya kwanza nero no murobirio bwoko basira ase county chance ya 45 na ibere erigo kini ebirengo no bokoreri bw'abakenu uchiase omo Kenya.
Wa taifa letu, mimi nitabadilisha mambo ya afya. Leo imebadilika haijabadilika? Imebadilika haijabadilika? That is what it means when we say every leader must be judged by their track record. Kila kiongozi apimwe na ile kazi amefanya. Ama ni aje? Tusiletewe ukabila. Hakuna haja ya matusi, hakuna haja ya fitina, hakuna haja ya propaganda. Kila mtu, kwa sababu kazi inaonekana. Ama namna gani jameni? Hao ma CHP wako hapa leo hawakukuwa na training, tumewatrain. Hawakutambulika, tumewatambua. Hawakukuwa na stipend, leo wako na stipend. Hawakukuwa na kids, leo wako na kids. Sasa watakuwa na SHA. Sasa wataendelea kupata kits mpya, watapata simu mpya, na tutapanga mambo yao ya stipend tukienda mbele. That is how to transform a nation. Ni kweli ama si kweli? Ni kweli ama si kweli? Sasa mimi nataka niwaulize ndugu zangu watu wana CHP. Unajua wale wanajaribu kushindana na mimi wanasema watakuja kufutilia mbali mambo ya SHA, warudishe ile ya NHIF. Mimi nawauliza jameni, those people who are telling us we go back to a system that was not working are a very risky lot for our nation. In fact, they pose an existential threat to our nation. Those people. Nyinyi mnanielewa jameni? Kwa hivyo mnasema tuendelee na SHA? Mnasema tuendelee? Na CHPs wawe hapo katikati? Ndio tutembee pamoja. So wale ambao wanaongea katika mabaraza, mimi nataka niwaeleze, sikizeni yale CHPs wanatuambia. Hawa ndio practitioners, hawa ndio wanajua if it is working or not working. Tumekubaliana? Nimesikiza kwa makini vile mumeongea, and I am touched by what you are doing in our health space.
Ngakia barai ao bagendere tugwe sokia na kurige birogo byo burayi nigo murayi bwa basaikuru ansemo ye bunge ya Bunchari na boigo urenega ngayo kurigia hekerugo kyo bujumbe asensemo ye bunge yo Darius Mosoti asiritalinde embrembe asokire na kuboria Banchari kwenekya ngochora bale abarayi bakubaikanye na kubaretera amagendero ase ensemo eyo
baminto babonchari igonare ko basabanko batebinga komoranche mukabwate chance ya yemo ya tale 10 mutinyana no mwakonde yoko resto wa maskani na dignity ya constituency yetu yo Monchari ekiagera mota colectivo ababe punko rubale chikona chinde chonsi bicha isiko bachichega bate kova abanchali mubwate teiri morere myaka yonsi yamina na kinara ko basabanga inchebune mbura na atena ne botambe ko bwati kitabu kya Deuteronomy chapter 28 verse 15-17 ego tebange kero mugo chora barayi bino chora abantu kurwe nsemo ya ino na bamanyete micharo ya ino nale ko basabanga abantu baminto ko muranche mumbu atesi botambe natira ndamo na inwe ege tieke ya itierio asa abantu bonsi bara bako boli bojumbe na abande bare Nairobi na abande bare America onyo muntu naro tirene ino maduka mange otana komisiga kero mugo ate micharo nembura na mana go sono bolimo yes na kinko basabanga abantu baminto mumbu atoko boko Montigerense egerandusi e constituency yo bosoku chi constituency ndeko chibwata bamuraba ko minyoka batali komogia abatindi bako sumole binko kuru serikali yene baleta chi constituency yabo na ariko basabanga tagete competition yenene na inu motomo motoranya ariko twara wese yo egerarusi bintari Nairobi arete gaiga Bunchari yene sebuna chi constituency chinde chimesete iribo beko sere bya muanchira ndeto bwatira na motoka ndese bali yo biamono tianya saba sese ni omonene bwa manga
serikali nigegendere tekore tobokoreri yange no mwana inchi asu mwana inchi amenyete eri anyoro bokoreri obwikirano na boigo bokoreri bwa bwango ayinkorengana no murikyo manena ase wizara y'oburendi bw'emerembo no molo ase nkwane aye kuru ase county ya Homa Bay omolo nigo boigo aire buna kero mo Kenya na aganitio bokoreri obwikirano obwe serikali ya bono agendere tekorwa na igo kuboria kero ayomo konyora ikibande na kubwate kura yoguchia osebosio bobochori obonene eri guchigochora abara bari na marorama ya na koreta amunchererio na magendero imeyense.
Beyond what the national government is doing, we also have a responsibility as leaders and also as part of the community to contribute in the development of our school infrastructure. And I want to appeal to the parents that yes, the national government under the leadership of President Ruto is doing what it must do, that we sustain the transformation. But as a community, we also have a responsibility to play our part. We must come to school like we are doing today to even know how our sons, how our children are performing. We support the school administration to address the issues or the challenges around indiscipline. Most recently, we have had a lot of student unrest in a number of schools. But I'm happy that at Ober School, we did not have any challenge. And for that, I want to commend the students of Ober Boys that you have remained disciplined. We are proud of you and we will continue to support you so that you achieve the very best. And as the school motto says, that you are determined to excel as government officers, as leaders, and as parents, we will support you in your determination to excel. As those who have the opportunity to serve with President Ruto, we don't have any fear or any doubts in our minds that the transformation that we are seeing in this country, whether it's in the education sector, whether it's in the road sector, whether it's in the blue economy, is something that is phenomenal, and it's something that must be sustained. And that is why we have agreed with all the leaders, particularly from this region, Honorable Ivo Bara, Honorable Mark Nyamita, the governor for Homa Bay County, Gladys Wanga, all our MPs, the 29 of them in the 4 counties of this region. We have agreed in one accord that we will work together in support of President Ruto's transformative leadership, and to sustain that, we must ensure that those who have IDs who are eligible to register as voters, working through the government infrastructure as well as IEBC, that we all register.
Yamano mwanchu morieli asoko choren soko TV uboroso mugusina bwo kubwatia maya senchira yo bwenge chinsa isano nebere chia bono mubaso na wikirabona to wikira mwere kulienda nsa ya mone chinsa isato Clinton ondege na chuko ya tera senchira yo bwikira nubu nagendera tukwarigani aso mubaso bono kwika mogoro bagendera kubwatia miroberende atere aseri tukori imane weekend ya Jumatatu nyasaye kara tuanchireliane Ishmael Mogere.